There are many camping table products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping tables from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Villi Camping Table. Rating 4.3. Our folding camp table's top and frame are all aluminum, so it's lighter than a comparably sized wooden camp table, only 2.05 pounds, light enough to carry anywhere. Folds into the included carry bag. This small foldable table can easily fit in the back of a car, RV, motorcycle, or backpack. Camp Table has a unique metal screw design that works with hinges to connect each panel of the table, unlike other similar foldable tables that are associated with bungee cords or plastic nails. Heavy-duty metal nail-attached hinges make the snack table more stable and durable, allow it to last for many years. The painted aluminum tabletop is waterproof and easy to clean. Number 4. Sportneer Camping Table. Rating 4.5. Keep your folding table organized with a convenient mesh storage layer and S-hooks. Say goodbye to messy setups. This portable and collapsible camping table provides ample storage for cooking supplies, snacks, utensils, games, reading materials, barbecue, and more. Plus, use the S-hooks to hang speakers, bags, and other equipment, ensuring everything is within easy reach. Say goodbye to the hassle of poles and complicated setups with a Sportneer adjustable height camping table. Simply open the table, insert the extended legs, secure the locks, and you're ready to go. Your best gear stays with you for years, and so will the Sportneer aluminum small folding table. Made of a high-quality aluminum alloy frame and medium-density fiberboard tabletop, it's designed for any task you throw at it. Number 3. Folding Camping Square Table. Rating 4.7. Weighing only 4.0 pounds, the collapsible camping table is made of aluminum and easily fits into the included carry bag, making it the perfect compact camping table for outdoor activities. The aluminum frame and aluminum tabletop design ensure durability and stability, supporting up to 130 pounds, making it a versatile camping table that holds a grill and other kitchen essentials. With no tools required, this folding camping table is simple to set up, making it ideal for picnics, backyard barbecues, and camping trips. The foldable camping table is designed with 4 retractable aluminum legs, making it easy to level no matter how uneven the ground is. You can freely adjust the height starting from 15.7 inch to 20, meeting all the needs of campers and adventurers. Number 2. Quick Fold Camping Table. Rating 4.8. Lightweight and sturdy. Our lightweight and sturdy foldable camping table is the quintessential camping gear table. Weather-resistant aluminum. Made with weather-resistant aluminum, so it can be durable enough to make it through all of your greatest camping adventures. Easy to fold and store. The perfect folding camping table that sets up in seconds flat. It will make a great addition to your camping kitchen. The perfect size. This small folding table is perfect for long camping trips or short getaways. Designed to be easy and quick to store. Dimensions: 27.5 by 20 by 2 inches. Weight: 4 pounds. Number 1. Portable Camping Table. Rating 4.8. Built with a sturdy, high-quality aluminum frame, this folding camping table ensures long-lasting durability, making it perfect for outdoor use. Designed with a reinforced frame, this portable camping table offers enhanced stability and prevents wobbling on various surfaces. Whether on uneven or rocky ground, the adjustable legs ensure the table remains stable and level, making it perfect for all types of outdoor adventures. The bag is easy to clean and enhances the table's functionality, making it ideal for camping and picnics. Compact and lightweight, this folding table is designed for easy transport and storage. The convenient folding mechanism allows for quick setup and takedown, and it fits effortlessly into the included carry bag for on-the-go use. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.